Marty!
Hello everyone, happy Halloween from me to you. Guys, in this video, I just want to show you my Halloween setup this year. As most of you know, throughout the year since my kids were little, we do Halloween big. And this year I added to the collection and I just wanted to show you guys what it's like here at the Canote house on Halloween night and what the neighborhood is like. It's such a vibe, I love it. It's like you're watching a little Halloween Town movie. By the time I post this video, it's gonna be after Halloween, obviously, so I hope you guys all had a happy Halloween and a safe Halloween. But yeah, enjoy. I totally forgot to mention, so Willy Wonka is just my Halloween night outfit that I usually always put on to hand out candy to the kids. But this year, I was Ziggy Stardust, my man right here. My wife was Elton John, as you can see. And we had a great Halloween party with friends. And okay, anyway, on to the Halloween. Well, there you have it, guys. Halloween at the Canote house in Branson on our street. That's how it goes down. It's a lot of fun. Hope you guys like the animatronics and the 12-foot skeleton, all the stuff. I sure have a lot of fun, but for me, it's all about putting the smiles on the kids and families' faces. It's about the pictures, the videos that they're doing in front of like Beetlejuice, and everybody wants to get a picture with Beetlejuice. It's so fun. But yeah, that's what it's all about, the smiles, the kids. So I hope you guys had a very safe and happy Halloween, and we will see you guys next time.